3 Things to Avail of Cheap Family Health Insurance, by Tamara Jones, Fort Collins Health Insurer and CEQuote.com. Part of family health insurance policy is maternity care. It is a must-have for women who are expecting a child or who are planning to have children. Throughout pregnancy, a woman needs to have prenatal care and regular checkups with the OB/GYN to ensure the baby in her womb is healthy. The cost of hospitalization in delivering the baby can reach up to $10,000 or even more. That's why it's important to have cheap family health insurance or add maternity health insurance. The costs of medical treatment and care these days are increasing. That's why it is important that you avail of cheap family health insurance to protect your families. Aside from the cost of prenatal care, regular checkups, ultrasounds, and giving birth, the bills could go up if there are any complications while giving birth. Additional expenses could also add up if a woman delivers through a cesarean section or if there are premature births. Some cheap family health insurance does not include or cover the cost of maternity care. So, it is very important to make sure before purchasing cheap family health insurance to ask your health insurance companies if your maternal care is included in the plan or not. If it's not included in your health insurance plan, then you might want to add any additional coverage whenever needed. Make sure that before you conceive or before planning to have children, make sure that you have purchased cheap family health insurance plans that will cover your maternal care and other expenses. Well, it is still possible for you to get a maternity health insurance after you give birth, but it may be too expensive already. Because health insurance companies will consider this as pre-existing condition that makes it difficult for you to get the right coverage that you need. 1. If you want to shop online on cheap family health insurance plan that will cover maternity health care, there are a lot of health insurance companies online that will provide you with the right coverage that you need. Whether you're expecting a child or still planning to have one, it is still important to get cheap family health insurance that you need. 2. If you're not satisfied with the rates that an insurance company offers, then you can spend a few more minutes on the computer and search for other health insurance companies that offer excellent maternity health insurance at a very reasonable price. 3. You can get quotes from these insurance companies and compare them with other quotes that you got from other companies online. In this way, you will know what insurance companies will provide the best coverage for you at a price that will fit your budget. Competition is very stiff today among many health insurance companies, and the price of the policies they offer may vary from one company to another. Sometimes it's very difficult to shop for cheap family health insurance. So, by shopping online and taking some time getting and comparing health insurance quotes, you will know what coverage suits you best. It's actually worth the time going online and comparing quotes because you can actually save a big amount of money and eventually get cheap family health insurance that will protect your family in the future. The cost of medical care is increasing almost every year, that it is important to protect our family in the future to come.